Check the tickets, go to customer support section. Here you're going to see all the tickets that we have in our system. Some of them are open and some of them are closed. We don't need to see the closed tickets, so click on the search icon, go to filters, click on unattended tickets, and here you will see only the open ones. Click on any of them. The first thing you're going to see is the title of the ticket. Here is the name of the person who opened the ticket, and here's their email. Here's the priority of this ticket. If you scroll down, you're going to see in the description tab the description of the ticket. Why did they open the ticket in the first place? What's the problem? And some of them attach some screenshots. You can see them here in the attachments tab. If you scroll down, you can log note. For example, you can mention the person who opened the ticket to ask some follow-up questions. Only tier 1 are going to check the tickets. If you need like approval from tier 2 or tier 3, you can click on request approval. If you're done with the ticket and you would like to close it, you need to add a timesheet here. So click on edit, scroll down, click on add an item. Here's the date, your name, brief description of what you did, and the duration, like the time you spent working on this ticket, even if it was like 5 minutes. I add it here, and since this line is like has a purple color, that means it's in edit mode. To save this table and exit the edit mode, click on the white space here and then click on save, and after that you can close the ticket. You can close any tickets without adding a timesheet here.